Let's smash a Maxi nerdle. We got 24 divided by 6 plus 3 times 1 equals 7. Excellent, dude. We get 20 something divided by something. Okay. 25 is divisible by 5. 28 is divisible by 4 and 7. So 28 divided by 4 or 7 I feel like is probably pretty likely. We haven't used subtraction yet. We haven't used any exponents. Both of these things make numbers smaller, so this isn't going to be that big of a number out the gate. Maybe we do 28 divided by 4 so it stays kind of big. But all I can do is subtract, so I can do divided again. 7. So we know there's division, and then just do minus 1 equals 0. I don't know. There can't be a 1, but I just want to... I checked a few more numbers, checked division twice, put 4 and 7 in different spots. Okay, there is more division. 4 and 7 both don't go there. It's not 28. So 25 divided by 5 is just 5. I'm not going to be able to get a 4 and a 7 in. Wow, it's crazy there's just division here. That's really wild. 27 divided by 9. I mean, what am I doing here? I can't even make this big, and we're just dividing immediately. How am I going to make it bigger? I can do 27 divided by 9. Whoa, what's happening? I don't understand this at all. How does this work? How do I keep this big enough to make it work? And division doesn't go here, so we have to be dividing by a double-digit number, I think. Like, even if I cube 2, it's still not, it's 8. It's so small. So the biggest number I can put in here is 29. That's not divisible by anything. None of this is divisible by 7. So, I mean, again, I have to be dividing by a double-digit number twice, it seems like. How is that possible? I'm out of even numbers. This is really confusing. Oh, there must be something weird. Wait a second. 29. How am I going to make this work? It's got to be like, I have to put like parentheses and then yeah, there's got to be parentheses. I'm only dividing by a double-digit number because I'm dividing here in parentheses. Like, is it like am I dividing by 4 divided by 2 or something? How do I get a 7 involved, though? It's really, I mean, this must kind of be the structure. Something like this. But where is the 7 going to go? I guess if I no, I don't know. 20, oh, I guess if I divide by 1/2, no. So that doesn't work either. I was going to say, if I divide by a fraction, then I'm multiplying, but I can't make a double digit into a single digit if I do that. So I have to make this number smaller. 25. If it's like 7 divided by 2, I'm divided by 3.5, but then this number still has to be divisible by 7, and I can't make this divisible by 7. So I can't be dividing by 7. This could be 7? Yeah, so this has to be 27, I think. 27 divided by, and that's divisible by 9. So I could do like 9 divided by 2, and that's 6. I'm just going to do that. Right? 9 divided by 2 is, 27 divided by 9 divided by 2 equals 6. Okay, 7 doesn't go there either. I'm so confused about the 7. I don't understand where the 7 is going to go. I also don't know where any of the other numbers are going to go. I don't really... Okay, I figured out the format at least. This is very confusing. 20... So now there's no 9. I only have 4 possible numbers that I could put into this. I'm dividing by a fraction. How does a 7 work in any capacity? 7 is such a weird number. It just like doesn't work with anything. Like I think 7 has to go here, and I feel like this can't be a 2. There's not another 2. This can't be a 4 or a 7. There's not another 2. So this is a 5. It has to be. Unless it's 2 cubed. I don't think so, though. 25 divided by... What is happening? 7 divided by... 7's not going to go into this. How is 7 getting involved? I can't... Like, if I divide by 7 inside here, I'm basically multiplying this number by 7. And then it's not going to equal a single-digit number no matter what I put there. How do I make this equal a whole number? This is really hard mathematically. So this is either a 5 or an exponent. Oh, I could just do... No, I can't. Yeah. No, I could probably make this really small. I was thinking it had to be big because I'm dividing, but I can make the division weird. So if I do 4 divided by 7, it equals 7. Yeah, that works. So this could be 4 divided by 7. Because now it's 4. If you invert and multiply here, you're basically just... So this is... Dividing by 4 divided by 7 is like multiplying by 7 over 4. So I multiply 4 times 7 and then divide by 4, and that just equals... It can't equal 7, though. Ugh. Okay, but it could equal... It can't equal 7. I have to try this. I don't know what to do. Didn't put an equal sign. It can't equal 7. I guess I might as well think about this more. How does the 7 get involved? I'm trying it. Okay. So I'm multiplying by 1 again. Dude, like this would have been a way more interesting equation if you just didn't multiply by 1. Multiplying by 1 is super whack. But what can you do? All right, that was very confusing to me for a while, but I got through it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.